Hey guys, how's everybody doing? My name's Zach, and today we're going to be talking about these Brunt boots that I've walked 1,300 miles in. This summer, I walked about 12,000 steps a day, multiplied by 5 days a week, by X amount of months, or weeks, and then months. I came out to a number, and I divided by roughly 2,000 steps per mile, and came out to about 1,300 miles that I put on these boots over the course of the summer. Now, I had started a video a couple months ago, or I have a video on my channel a couple months old about these boots, but I hadn't really had them. I think it was like a 3-month video at that point. Well, I've had them almost a year now, and put a lot more time, a lot more steps, a lot more wear and tear, a whole hot summer. And so you can see these boots, I've worn the sole down, and compared to how other boots I've owned have worn, all my other ones fall apart around here. Now, I believe this stitch is decorational. I don't think it's an actual stitch. I believe it's glued. It's stitched along the sides and the top here. It's not a real stitch, I don't think. I watched some other videos. But it seems like that's where the other boots seem to flap. And mine just, I'm just wearing through them, right? You can see I'm just wearing right through the sole in a couple of spots. And I plan to keep wearing them as long as I can. I'm probably going to buy some new ones, but I just thought I'd give an update on a year and 1,300 miles in these boots. And I've really only worn through the toe from working on things on concrete, and worn off the heel through walking on concrete. But it's been a year. It's been a good boot. This is the Marin Comp Toe. I believe this is the 6-inch height version. There's an 8-inch one that comes a little higher up your leg I'd like to try. And then now they've released a bunch of slip-on, more like cowboy style boots that I would really like to try. But that's been my experience with this boot so far. Like I said, my name is Zach, and on this channel we talk about knives, tools, toolboxes, organization of your garage, tools, and just stuff homeowners should know, and tools you might encounter in the home. And then we review them on this channel. So I've been wearing this boot for about a year, and I just thought I'd make you a quick little video about it where you could see some of the pluses to this type of boot. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Zach. If you want more short little videos like this talking about stuff that I've used and how it's held up, let me know in the comments. If you have worn Brunt boots also, let me know down below, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments. I answer every comment, so feel free to comment. But thanks, guys, for hanging out. I will see you guys next time. Bye.